26 points up for the Nifty, which is in line with what the pre-open rates and what the SGX was suggesting and indicating. Let's start with HCL Technologies. Are we in for a gap up open there? Numbers were strong and HCL Technologies is in for a strong gap up open. Now, this is a surprise, and this is a surprise because just about everyone on the street was convinced that HCL will come out with good set of numbers, but markets are clearly rewarding good numbers now, so it's good to acknowledge that. Infosys, well, I'm surprised with the positive take on Infosys because the IT space after HCL numbers will only get more polarized. Reliance, like I mentioned, numbers were not hot, numbers were not very cold. In line with estimates, 798 rupees, 796 now for Reliance Industries, down by about 8 rupees. So one heavyweight is under pressure, which is Reliance Industries, and last week it was Infosys. What about rate sensitives? PSU banks, yields are down, rupee is up. This will benefit large PSU banks. State Bank of India is off to a flyer. Allahabad Bank is off to a decent start. Bank of Baroda is at 686 rupees. Bank of Maharashtra 49 rupees. A small PSU bank. Let's look at the big ones. Punjab National Bank and namely Can Bank. HDFC Bank is off to a flat start. ICICI Bank is meandering just below 1100. Can Bank a shade of red there. Let's revisit HCL Technologies once again. After a gap up start, do we have follow-up buying there? Yes, plenty of follow-up buying. 801 rupees for HCL Technologies.
Oh yes, it's a good 5% uptick that you're seeing. So almost a gap up sort of start, while Reliance is currently lower by about 1%. And this is exactly what we were talking about Reliance as to how around 810 the stock had actually hit a near-term peak. Gold finances continue to reel under pressure. So Manappuram is still down while Muthoot is seeing some recovery actually kick in. Manappuram still lower by about almost 3.5%. TCS. After HCL Tech, now you're going to watch out for TCS, even though the earnings come in only post-market hours. TCS, Yes Bank, Puravankara projects are some of the other stocks that would be reacting to their earnings. HCL Reliance done, some other stocks that would be in focus. Some of the media reports are indicating that CCEA is considering HMT's revival plan, and this is going to happen as soon as Friday. So watch out for this one as well. And IGL, after the kind of spurt that you saw in the counter, and yet again the Supreme Court saying that the PNGRB and IGL case has been adjourned. The final hearing is now on April 30th. IGL today starts off in the red. So this is, of course, one very important stock to watch out for, especially after the fresh high the stock clocked yesterday.